We will connect to the Ethereum blockchain by using the MetaMask plugin. We can navigate to metamask.io and select the link for your browser. Once you are at the Chrome store, you can go ahead and add your plugin. And once that gets added to the browser, you will see the icon in the upper right-hand corner. You will see the small Firefox looking icon. So you can see there we've gotten it. You can go ahead and watch the video and get a little bit more information about the plugin. Once we're done installing the plugin, the next step is to configure it. Start by clicking on the icon and then selecting the test network. We will use the test network so that we can use test cryptocurrency and not have to purchase the main network cryptocurrency. Go ahead and accept the terms of use. Go ahead and accept the privacy notice and go ahead and approve or acknowledge the phishing warning on the plugin. Now, once we do that, we will next enter a password, as you usually do when you create an account. And in this case, you can see here the fields. Let's go ahead and enter your password. And confirm your password. And once you do, we will click the create button and you will see 12 passwords that you should keep track of. If you ever lose access to your account, you can use these 12 passwords to log back in and recreate your account. Once we've done that, we're now within our account. We have a brand new account on the Ethereum blockchain, and in order to see the address of this account, we can click on the dots there and select copy address to clipboard. And I'm going to go ahead and paste it onto a text editor. And so that number is the one that you would distribute to anybody wanting to send you funds. Next, we're going to go ahead and look at the account on the Blockchain Explorer. And as you will see, it is a brand new account. There are no transactions on the account. Next, we're going to generate some currency so that we can use it with our account. As I mentioned, this is a test network, so we can go ahead and generate it for free. Click on buy, then on Renkoby test faucet. And once you arrive at the site, go ahead and select crypto faucet. Now, as I mentioned, the currency is free on the test network. However, to prevent abuse, there are some limitations and there are some steps that you need to follow to prevent abuse of the network. And so what we need to do is we need to navigate to a social network site. As you can see there, there's a number of options. And in our case, we will use Twitter. We will create a new tweet on this account and we will tweet the address of the brand new account that we have just created. So as you can see there, I'm going to go ahead and paste the new account address that we have just created. And I will paste it onto a new tweet. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and enter the tweet. And once I do that, I'm going to select, or I'm going to copy the address of this tweet, and I'm then going to enter it on the input field of the previous screen we were on. So I'm going to return here. I'm going to go ahead and paste the address of the tweet. And then I'm going to select here the amount of Ether I am requesting. I'm going to request the most Ether I can, which is 18 Ether. And this is again the pop-up that we get just to prevent abuse and to confirm or to ensure that we are a human. And so we select the appropriate options here, click verify. And as you can see there, the funding request was accepted. This will take some time for it to be approved. We can see there that request is on queue. And so we're going to go ahead and wait. And that just went through. And if we look at the MetaMask, you can see there that the 18 just showed up. And if we navigate over to the Blockchain Explorer, we can see there that the transaction is in place and we're waiting for it to be included and mined on a block. And that can take a few minutes. Let's see if we get lucky and that comes through. You can see there the top, oh, and that just went through right there. So now you have 18 Ether that are confirmed within your account. You can start to make fund transfers. You can start to use these funds in smart contracts. So you're now ready to go. Enjoy your first steps on the blockchain.